Hello guys, this is Ashker, your English coach, your English teacher. So today in this video we're going to talk about some expressions in English. How to use them in English, how to employ in some sentences when you're talking with your friend, your family, something like that. How to use these expressions that really important when you're a learner in English. So let's get started. So please subscribe to the video, to the channel below to get any updates of this channel because these um, expressions that we are doing on the board right here is really important to learn in English. So please subscribe to the channel below, okay guys, to get any updates of this channel. The first expressions that we're going to talk about right here is a piece of cake. A piece of cake. When we have a piece of cake in English, that means something that very easy. A piece of cake means very easy. Very easy in English. A piece of cake. We have a piece of cake. A piece of cake. That means something is very easy. Let's see an example right here with a piece of cake. The first example right here is the math test was a piece of cake. That means the math test was very easy. The math test is a piece of cake. Okay, that means the math test was very easy to do. The math test was a piece of cake. A piece of cake. The math test was very easy. Okay, it is very important and easy to know them in English. When you are using some expressions while talking in English, that means you sound more professional in English. Okay, that's why it is very easy to learn them in English. And the second expressions that we're going to talk about today in this video is costing arm and a leg. Costing arm and a leg. What it means, costing arm and a leg. That means very expensive. When you're buying something that's very expensive, that means the thing is costing an arm and a leg. Okay? The example right here is buying a new car can cost an arm and a leg. Buying a new car can cost an arm and a leg. That means buying a new car is very expensive sometimes. Okay? Buying a new car is very expensive sometimes. Buying a new car can cost an arm and a leg. Cost. Cost. And noun. And a leg. Alright? Cost an arm and a leg. This is the second expression that we are talking about on the board right here. Cost an arm and a leg. That means very expensive. Okay guys, make sure you understand, subscribe to the channel, or put your eyes on the board and pay attention to this because it is really important to know in English. Okay, and the third expressions that we're talking about right here is head the hay. 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 Alright, head the hay means to go to bed or to go to sleep. To go to bed or to go to sleep. Okay, this is the meaning of head the hay. This is the meaning of head the hay. To go to bed or to sleep. The example right here is I am tired. It's time to head the hay. It's time for me to go to bed because I am tired. Okay, to head the hay. I'm gonna head the hay. I'm going to bed. I'm going to sleep. Okay? Because I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. It's time for me to go to bed. It's time for me to head the hay. It's time to head the hay. I'm tired. Okay? Head the hay. Make sure you understand, guys. Pay attention to him because each one of these expressions on the board is really important to know. Make sure you understand. Make sure you get it right. Make sure you put your eyes on the board to learn them. Okay? Because with Asker's English University, you have to speak English fast and easy. And the fourth expressions that we're going to talk about right here is kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket. We have kick. Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket means to die. When someone died. Kick the bucket means die. To die. This is to die right here. This is the meaning of the kick the bucket. For example, my grandmother kicked the bucket last week. That means my grandmother died last week. Okay? My grandmother kicked the bucket last week. My grandmother kicked the bucket last week. My grandmother died last week. This is the meaning of kick the bucket. This is why you can use kick the bucket in some sentences while you're talking to your friend, your family, something, or your student. Um, my grandmother kicked the bucket last week. And we have the five expression, all ears, all ears. All ears mean listening instantly, listening instantly. Okay, guys, make sure you understand, make sure you get it right. All ears. For example, I'm all ears. Tell me what happened. I'm all ears. I'm listening to you carefully. I'm listening to you carefully. Carefully. All right? I'm listening to you carefully. I'm all ears. Tell me what happened. I'm all ears. Tell me what happened. I'm listening carefully. Okay? I'm listening instantly. Listening instantly means that means you are all ears to someone. To listen to someone. I'm all ears. Tell me what happened. That means I'm listening instantly. I'm listening carefully. As I said right here. I'm listening carefully. Instantly. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. But the pronunciation here is out of the blue. Out of the blue. Out of the blue means unexpectedly. Unexpectedly. Okay? Unexpectedly. Out of the blue. Out of the blue means unexpectedly. Let me show you quickly, guys. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. Out of the blue. That means unexpectedly. 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 For example, she called me out of the blue for a party. She called me out of the blue for a party. That means she called me unexpectedly for a party. For a party. To go to a party with her. Okay? Out of the blue means unexpectedly. She called me out of the blue. She called me unexpectedly. Something I didn't know before. Okay? Something I did not know before. Something I did not know before. Unexpectedly. I didn't know if that was gonna happen. Then it called me out of the blue. It called me unexpectedly. Okay, make sure you get all of these expressions that's on the board right here really right, because it is really important to know them. A piece of cake, cost an arm and a leg, hit the hay, take the bucket, all ears out of the blue. Okay, this is that we have in this video right here. The six expressions on the board. Okay, a piece of cake, a piece of cake, and cost an arm and a leg, an arm and a leg, and first of all, hit the hay, and fourth, kick the bucket, and five, we have all ears. All ears. and we have out of the blue. Out of the blue. Okay, guys? So make sure you get it right. So please subscribe to the channel with 6 expressions right here, okay? Goodbye. See you next video.